Hello and welcome back to another video by Seeing Through Cars. Today we finally got this beautiful Volkswagen LT35. This one is sponsored by Schloss Eckenberg, the beer to Salzkammergut. There's a nice beer tip inside and it's really fun to drive, although it's quite slow, but yeah, you can carry 9 people inside and you can sleep inside, you can drink beer inside. It's really great. So for now, let's start this test drive with this beautiful old fire truck. Let's hop in and we start right away. Yeah, in here everything is beautiful old. It's already an old timer, and yeah, it's not everything that easy anymore as in a new car, but it's just for fun. Yeah man, let's go. So, under the hood, which is here, we got a lovely 6-cylinder petrol engine which is naturally aspirated and produces I don't know how many horses and is quite slow. It's so slow. Oh man, you're on the truck lane on the autobahn, on the motorway. You use the truck lane because you're fucking slow, man. It's just slow, but speed isn't interesting in this car. It's all about the fun with your friends, drinking beer and having just a lot of fun. Today we are going to a festival and we will have a lot of fun, of course. Therefore we bring this lovely car. We got a 4-speed manual transmission. We got 1 reverse and 4 gears forward, and yeah, now I feel that some more horses would be useful. I hope you can hear me because it's really noisy inside here due to the fact that the engine is just underneath there and it's just a plastic cover, but that's old-fashioned and nice. We get a lot of thumbs up when we pass by some people on the street. We got a nice microphone so we can talk to the people outside and have a conversation with them, but yeah, it's a monotone conversation because they can't talk to us. Maybe it's better, but yeah, you don't know. Well, despite all the things that should be repaired, yeah, it's just a really lovely car. I love it, and it's for the fun, as I already said. It's a group transporter, an old fire truck. Everyone loves this car when he sees it, when they see it, except they got disturbed through the noise that we make because we got a loud honk, and sometimes we play some really loud music in here. We do have a really good sound system in here, or at least it's really loud. Yeah, so as I just mentioned, the honk, this is normal. We got 3 different modes, so we just that's normal. Then we do have fun mode, and if you're really angry about the car in front of you, you got loud mode. Yeah man, that's what it's meant to be. you know, if you're fucking angry about the person in front of you, you just sometimes need a really, really loud honk, and that's inside here. That's everything you need. I think this should be an option for every car, because there are so many idiots driving around, and it's just necessary having such a loud honk in a car, for sure. Despite all the driving stuff, yeah, you know, going back to driving stuff, yeah, we do not have any driving performance in here. Suspension is shit, gearbox is shit, shifting is shit. It's just old-fashioned. I really love it, but in terms of performance, that's not the right car, of course, because in here it's not about driving. You can sleep in this car, you can drink in this car, but you won't drive too fast in this car. What's really nice, but I can't show you right now because it's a little bit hard, we do have speed, cruise control. It's like 5 kilograms of weight. You just put it on the gas pedal and you leave it there. You will constantly drive about 100 kilometers per hour. That's perfectly for cruising along the motorway. For lower speeds you need a little bit less kilograms, like about 80 you take the 2.5 kilograms or maybe 3, and for even less speeds, yeah, you better use your own food because yeah, you know, you can't have that much comfort, but on the motorway it's really perfect. It keeps the speed just so smoothly. 5 kilograms on the gas pedal, everything's fine. Yeah, the clutch has to be made right now. That's a problem from the owner, so that's a problem of us. That's not a common issue on these cars. Maybe it's an issue of the driver. Braking is good, everything's, yeah, it's good. You do have a lot of space. I really like it. You do have a climate control. It's over here. You just open the window and cold air streams in from the outside. Perfect, perfect. Yeah. So that's it for me so far. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Thank you guys. Goodbye.